In this video I want to show how to install floor in closet. First we have very small place and very trouble to slide boards here. What I am doing, just I took 3 boards I already pre-cutted. One, it's another one, 2 and 3. This last board, this middle board, I cut a groove on the bottom for easy to install. And how it works. So first of all, we can put one piece right here. Another one I can put mark. It should be this board exactly this mark. And then easy to put third piece. And slide this board little back. So, and then install this small area. I'll show you how to do it. First of all, need to put glue here. I use this Bostik KFA. So I can leave this glue right here. So why I leave it? Because this little spot very difficult to put glue. What I'm doing, I just want to add glue right here. And then slide it. That's it. It's settled from both sides. So another one, we have to install this piece. Same story. Just add glue here and slide it. So if you see, here is mark. Exactly, maybe, no, for me it's visible. So now I need to take this piece, which I told I cut this bottom of groove, and put it here. So slide it. That's it. So now we have to take this glue from like it. For closet I always recommend use some, if you install light floor, use dark boards, or very busy with just so many nuts or with some dark lines. So here is very dark and busy boards what I wanna put inside. So I already precut it into just put it in one. Okay, three. Here we have small strips. Here. Step 59. Okay, I'll pick it now. Here is waste. I already used one side for finish. Just round. So need to make marks exactly on the end because it's not. So right here, one, and this one. Why I'm doing this? Because I can see full board. Here is a little bit narrow, so I'll just put right this point and this point. Okay. Then take some little piece. We have tongue quarter, so we need space quarter. So when we attach this board, we have exactly size what we need to install right there. This quarter gap, 1/4 gap. Okay. Okay, now need to cut it off and install it. So, okay, for your safety, always use glasses and air mask. So if you're interested in how to make this splitter, which is work for miter saw and for table saw, easy. Now it was here, slide, now it was there. So let me know and I can make video if it's very interesting. So okay, go ahead. Need to install this piece. So for installation of this piece you need pull bar and spacers. So how it's work? We go in here. put them. Install spacers. One. Two. Three. 4. That's it. Okay. Thanks for watching.